It's a fun day. There's a lot of really, really neat cars to see. There's classic, there's new, there's a lot of booths.
We're the Buckeye Land Sharks. We all drive Porsche 928s.
If you're a Porsche enthusiast, it's a great place to come. Check out, see all variety of cars from 911s to Porsches to even the vintage Porsches. It's a great event to come to.